Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes BBQ channel. Today, even though it is cold, you can obviously see there's some snow on the ground behind me. It's about 20 degrees outside right now, but that's not gonna stop us from firing up the smoker and making something delicious. And today, that just happens to be some smoked Mexican chorizo queso. Who doesn't love a good queso dip, right? And that's what we're gonna make today. We're gonna make it all on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart, and my mouth is already watering thinking about how good this queso is gonna be. So I'm ready if you are. Let's get started. All right, we're making everything today here in this incredible cast iron Dutch oven. And for starters, I have 1 pound of ground chorizo, courtesy of Strip District Meats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, the absolute go-to for amazing meat. Go ahead and add this right in to the Dutch oven. Oh, and it already smells unbelievable. I love the smell of chorizo. I love the heat that it provides. Oh my gosh, is it good. So I'm gonna continue cooking this until it's cooked through, and then we'll start to add the rest of our ingredients and get it on the smoker. All right, this chorizo is done. And when I say that this smells incredible, I legitimately wish that every single person watching this video could come over right now and just stick your head in this pot and smell it. Because, oh my gosh, I wanna grab a fork and just eat it right now. But we're not gonna do that, we got queso to make. All right, so I've removed the Dutch oven from the heat. I'm gonna let it cool down just a little bit, but not a whole lot, it doesn't really matter. And to that, the first two things I'm gonna use, the first is Velveeta and the second is cream cheese. And rather than just stick a whole block of Velveeta in here, I want it to kind of disperse a little bit just so that it melts more evenly and kind of mixes together as it cooks. And the same with the cream cheese. So I'm not just gonna stick a big hunk of cream cheese in here or a big hunk of Velveeta. I've got it kind of cut up into sort of like cubes, kind of like that. Now this is 32 ounces, which is the typical size of 1 pack of Velveeta. What is Velveeta? It's not cheese. You don't have to refrigerate it. I don't get it. Comment down below and tell me, what is Velveeta? And here's my cream cheese. Just like that. All right, up next comes 1 can of Rotel, which if you're unfamiliar is basically just diced tomatoes and green chilies. Next, I'm gonna add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Oh, it's so gross, look at that. Ew. That. So gross. Next, about 2 tablespoons of cumin. A tablespoon of garlic powder. And for just a little bit of heat, about a teaspoon of chipotle powder. All right, now I'm just gonna give this a quick sort of combine here, but obviously it's not gonna do much, but I just wanna get that, really just get that meat to start mixing in. You can already see it's starting to melt, right? All right, let's get this on the smoker. All right, I'm gonna be smoking this queso today here on my Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. I have it set to 275 degrees, and it's probably gonna take it about an hour for everything to melt and just be nice and bubbly. Smoking using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets, my favorite pellets for just about everything that I smoke outside. I'm not gonna use the lid of my Dutch oven. I'm gonna put it in uncovered so that it can really take on that delicious smoky flavor of that Competition Blend. All right, here we go. And here we go, right in the middle. And we'll be back in about 45 minutes to an hour to see how we're doing. All right, it's been about 30 minutes actually, and I wanna just go ahead and take a look and see what's happening in the Dutch oven. Oh man, look at that. Look at the bubbles. Wow. Oh, the smell, the smell. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just stir this a little bit. Oh man, does that smell good. Oh my gosh, yes, 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 yes. All right. You know what, this I think got done a little quicker than I anticipated, and that is fine with me. All right, let's get it off and try it. All right, friends. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. Wow. Man, just look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, it's steaming. I am going to be the first ever YouTuber to invent smell-o-vision so that you can smell this. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but wow, the smell. You can really smell that chorizo in there. All right, friends, you know what time it is. I'm so excited to try this. I want like an air freshener in my car that smells like this queso. Somebody get on that. You could dip just about anything you want in this. I'm going super traditional, old school, just a plain tortilla chip. Some of that chorizo. Man, does that look good. Super hot. Here we go, smoked chorizo queso. Oh, sorry, I got a little weak in the knees. Oh my gosh, listen to me. I've had a lot of queso in my life, and holy smokes, that's the best queso I've ever had. Oh, it's the perfect amount of heat. You get that smokiness from those competition blend pellets. Oh, gosh. That is good. Wow. Well, this was super simple to make, as you saw. Didn't take very long. Actually only took a half hour. I thought it was going to take like an hour, so I'm glad I went and checked on it. Very easy to make, and this will be a very popular dish if you make it for like a gathering, or even in the fall when it's like tailgate time, summer barbecues, like whatever you want to make this for, it's going to be a hit. I guarantee it. Well, my wife just came out and she smelled it and she said, you better get this inside. So I'm gonna do that. But thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes BBQ channel. If you like this video, make sure you click that thumbs up, give us a like, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And make sure that you check out one of these other 2 videos of some stuff that we've cooked up recently here on the channel, outdoors on the smoker, and I'll see you next time. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak.